Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is October 12th and the time is around 1 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at Alphabet. This is Google, right? GOOGL ticker symbol. And we can see right here we ended with 4 in the primary degree at 102.93, and then now we are now within the wave 5 to the downside. Now within the wave 5 we are calling this subdividing into 5 waves, which we finished 1 and 2 here of 5 right here. So now shorter term rally can fail and the stock can continue to go down to finish up this with 5 to the downside. So this is the key level though, 102.93. As long as we stay below here, we can continue to see further downside. Now a couple of things here, we're gonna take a look at the overall view as well as the short-term alternate path. Over here in the bottom line is that as long as we stay below this 102.9, we are looking for the downside. Okay, now within this idea in this shorter cycle, we could continue to see a little bit of alternates, right? Alternates will be, for example, 1 in blue could have ended here, and then now we can be doing a bigger rally in the 2 in blue before going down. But that doesn't change the idea that as long as we stay below 102.93, we can see further downside. Okay, now let's let's take a look now with the larger time frame. If I look at the daily, now you notice here that we started from this peak on February 2nd, right? This is February 2nd right here, and from here we continue to have a lower low, and you can try to count this as a 5 swing, right? It's a 5 swing sequence, so you can call this as a WXY is one interpretation, right? In which this is, let's say, ABCW, this is X, and then looking for a 100% target of the WX, and that should give you possibility going to $73. Now it's 97, so that's almost like a 30% drop from where we are. Now of course it's not going to happen 24 hours, it's going to happen for weeks and months, right? Months probably. So what happened here is that from this peak, so let me copy this with 4. This is your wave 4 in the 1 hour time frame. So if this is a wave 4, then this should be a wave 3, and then you can figure out the rest. If this is 3 and 4, then the 1 and 2 most likely is going to be here. This is 2 and this is 1, right? So what we're dealing here with is if 5 waves down is expected from August 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now we are doing this wave 5. Within the wave 5, we have not, as you can see, we have not broken below 3 yet. So technically speaking, in the very drastic adjustment, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this could have been, let's say, ABC ending here, and then it ended W, and then doing a 3 swings rally from here, like ABC type of move like this, to correct this ABC down, before going lower again. Okay, so that will be sort of the ultimate kind of alternates. Now it really still doesn't even change the idea that the right side still remains lower, because as long as we stay below this trend line, it doesn't matter. Like it could change in the shorter cycle depending on the path, it can change, but the end result still, as long as we stay below this trend line, the sequence is lower low, 100% is 73, so we're looking for the downside eventually, right? Now this is one view in which we're still within the wave 5 to the downside. Now you can see the arrow is turning down. Is because we have not really broken the previous wave 3 low. Right? And that's why the arrow is turning down in black. Now once we break below this 3 in black, then this is gonna turn red. Okay, this is going to turn red in color, which is bearish. So in the shorter cycle, we still need to break below here, and then that should complete 1 2 3 4 5. That should complete A, right? A. So remember, this is ABC, and then you will have another ABC. So your ABC probably can be ending somewhere here, around this area here. Let me see where it is. Anyway, it's somewhere around here. Possible target here between 92 and 85, and then from there we can get a bigger rally, correcting the 5 is down before going down again. Eventually we can hit this $73. All right, so that's the idea, guys. So this is one view. We're still looking to extend lower below 102.93. Like the ultimate alternate in my view will be that this is not 1 2 3 4 5. This is just an ABC, and then I'll finish W here, and then looking for bigger X rally in 3 or 7 swing before going down again. Now for further updates on stocks, indices, forex, cryptos, you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.